What's going on, guys? It's Tyson with Bloodman Family Farm. Today, got a couple of things. For one, there they are. Here's the goats. We got a love fest going on today. I'm pretty sure at least 5 different, maybe 6 different nannies have gotten bred today. I'll play you some of that funny footage of the stuff going on. That I caught earlier. If I get any more, I'll put it on here too. But did something else today. Almost spur of the moment, but it's not. I knew I was gonna do it. I knew it, but I pulled the trigger today. Let's go in here to the chicken coop. Remind you, this is at my mom's house, but yes, I may have done something. Let's take a look. Alright, guys. Here's 6 of the new additions. These are all pullets. These are speckled Sussex. Not exact. This is just temporary. I'm actually putting them together a deal with the old dog kennel. But got them 6 who are 7 weeks old. Pretty much almost all feathered out. This one right here is a little older than the other 5. She's pretty much all feathered out. But I love them. I don't know if... Oh! And I'll go ahead and tell you. You remember Gert? She's been on several of my videos. But I had a red hen that just was killed by fire ants. So we got this. A lady actually give us this. I think it's Buff Opington. Don't hate me on my pronunciations of chickens. I'm learning, folks. I'm learning. But she gave us her. We've named her Goldie. Her and Gert have got along very well. But in here, notice I had the door shut. Let me open it up. Maybe they won't run out. But 6 Marans, cuckoo Marans, I think. They're older. They're a little over a year old. So yeah, I got 12 new chickens. They come from a bigger chicken farm here in Oklahoma. Contacted them. Got pretty good reviews from people on them. So I got all 12 of them from the same farm. They were so. The Marans are a little rough right now, but we'll get them in tip-top shape here at the farm. So you could say Tyson has a chicken farm. Some of you may get it, some of you may not. I think it's funny. All the time, if I at my old work or my new work, or even in general, if somebody calls me and they say, "Now what's your name?" I say Tyson, and they'll say Tyler or something. I'm like, "No, Tyson, like the chicken." And most of the time, I get a good chuckle out of people, and then they remember my name. But some people just are like, "Okay," and I'm like, "Oh, I guess they don't know what Tyson chicken is." Some of you might not either, but I still think it's funny. But yeah, got them. I've been trying to hold off as long as possible to get new chickens for the sole fact I want chickens ready to go when we get out to the new farm. I told y'all at one time I thought we were going to get in August. obvious August has come and gone, folks. So that ain't gonna happen. I highly doubt it's gonna happen this month. I'm really hoping October is the month we get out there, but I'm wanting the chickens to be ready to go when we get out there and all that good stuff. Sorry, the goats are just ridiculous right now. And but yeah, because they got a job to do out there, just not giving me eggs. But we have a tick situation going on out there, and those chickens are going to be free range, and their job is to get rid of the ticks. Shanna here is one of them that's been in heat. Matter of fact, she got bred again this morning. She's taking a break, and the craziness is still going on down there. Looks like Aria, which is that goat right here, just come in heat. She wasn't in heat this morning. And the lady has been in heat. She's the one up there on the log all day. She has chased Curly like crazy. And I know of at least, like I said, not counting them two and Shanna, at least 3 more that have been in heat today. So hopefully Curly gets it all done today, and it'll just be like a domino effect, just boom, 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 boom on the kids. So we shall see. Hawk thinks he heard something. Every time he thinks he hears something, he starts barking. Yeah, guys, that's kind of what's going on today. Just goat love language and new chickens are going on here at the farm. Well, guys, that's kind of all I got for you today on this video. If you like it, please hit that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and share the video with your friends if you can. That would greatly be appreciated. And don't forget to hit that notification bell and let you know every time that I post a new video. And from the new chickens that I'll keep you updated on and the crazy and love goats, we'll see you on the next video.